we're being asked to find all the values for p, which would make this quadratic have no real solutions. So using what I know about the discriminant, that part of the quadratic formula under the square root symbol, if I want it to have no real solutions, I want the thing under the square root to be a negative number. So I want b squared minus 4ac to be less than 0. In this equation here, we can see that the a value equals 3, because that's what's in front of x squared. The b value is going to be equal to 2, and then c is this entire thing. It's the negative 3 and the p together. And the idea is that we would like for b squared minus 4ac to be negative, so there's no real solutions. So that means it should be less than 0. I am going to square b in my head. 2 squared is 4. And then negative 4 times a is 3. C is that entire negative 3p. And since it's no real solutions, like I said, we'll do less than 0. I want to clean this up before I start to solve it. So this negative 4 is off by this positive 4 is off by itself, but all of these guys should be multiplied together. You can use a calculator for this, but I'm going to use my head. Negative 4 times 3 would make negative 12. Negative 12 and negative 3 would make a positive 36. And then the p is just hanging out with that number. So the 4 comes down like this, and these guys made a positive 36p. And again, we want this to be less than 0. It's an inequality, but I'm still going to use the old-timey PEMDAS in reverse to solve it. So I'm trying to isolate this p. I see the 36 is with the p and the 4 is with the p, and my first question is there anything that I should add or subtract before to get the p by itself? Since this 4 is technically separated by this plus sign, that should go first, giving me that 36p is less than negative 4. I'm going to now go up the ladder and try to either find anything to multiply or divide to get p by itself. Since p is being multiplied by 36, I'll divide both sides by that 36. The p will now be by itself, so p is less than negative 4 over 36. And I should definitely reduce that fraction. So if I can't do that in my head or don't want to take the time, negative 4 divided by 36, math, frac, negative 1/9. So as long as p is less than negative 1/9, this whole expression will be less than 0, which means this quadratic would have no real solutions. Good luck with this. I know you can do it.